Here's your NBA midseason review for the Los Angeles Clippers, presented by State Farm. Under different circumstances, it would be very tempting to drink from the glass-is-half-full view of the Clippers, who did well to survive Blake Griffin's extended absence thanks to MVP-caliber play from Chris Paul. But even before Paul was lost to a hand injury, the forecast was beginning to dim because the Clippers, even more than most second-tier teams, need everything to break right if they are to overcome their talent disadvantage and unseat the Warriors. Paul and Griffin have been the right combination in the past, and this is their make-or-break season. With so many major free agent decisions coming up in July, the Clippers are no closer to narrowing their gap with the Warriors now than they were in September or last June or the June before that.